In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage user invitations and permissions in non-Aviatam business PipeDrive. COM. Whether you're adding a new team member or adjusting access levels, this guide has got you covered. First, start by navigating to the PipeDrive homepage. This is your central hub for all activities related to managing your customer relationship management tool. Once on the homepage, look towards the upper corner of your screen. You should see your user profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Users. This section is where you can see existing team members and make any necessary adjustments. Now, you're ready to add a new user. To do this, click on the plus user button. This will direct you to an input field where you can type in the email address of the person you'd like to invite. Take a moment to double check the email address to avoid sending the invitation to the wrong person. Once the email is entered correctly, continue by clicking Preview. This option lets you review your invitation settings before sending. It's a helpful step to ensure everything is in place. If you need to change access settings for this user, look for the Visibility Group option. Clicking here allows you to define what the user can see and do within your PipeDrive account. Moving forward, if the user will be involved in deal-related tasks, locate the Deals Regular User option. This setting helps tailor permissions specifically for deal management. Perhaps you want to tweak the global settings. The Global Regular User option is your go-to for adjusting these broad access settings. If you've previously set up custom permission groups, the default group option will streamline this process. Adding the user to a predetermined group automatically assigns them a set of permissions, making management simpler. Once your settings are fully adjusted as needed, you can close out of the deal settings by just clicking the X next to Edit Access. This will bring you back to the invitation menu. Now, to finalize the process, click on Invite One User. Your new team member will receive an email invitation to join your PipeDrive setup with the permissions you've established. If at any point you need to retract the invitation or resend it, head back to the Visibility Group section. Choose Cancel Invitation if you need to halt the process. Confirm this action by clicking Cancel Invite. It's a good safety net in case of any last-minute changes. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to invite a new user and manage their access settings in PipeDrive. With these steps in mind, you can efficiently manage your team's permissions and keep everyone in sync. Thank you for watching, and happy pipe driving.